Welcome to this Excel tutorial. We'll explore two methods to save or export each sheet to separate CSV files. We'll start by using the built-in Save As feature, followed by a VBA script for automation. Let's dive into each method. Let's begin with the first method, where we'll utilize Excel's built-in Save As feature to export each sheet to separate CSV files. This straightforward approach allows us to manually save each sheet individually with just a few clicks. Open your Excel workbook containing multiple sheets. Navigate to each sheet that you want to export as a separate CSV file. Click on the File tab in the Excel ribbon. Select Save As from the menu. Choose CSV, delimited, *.csv from the File Type drop-down menu. Enter a file name for the CSV file. Repeat this process for each sheet, ensuring to save each one with a unique file name. Now, let's explore the second method, which involves using a VBA script to automate the process of saving each sheet to separate CSV files. This method provides efficiency and convenience, especially for workbooks with numerous sheets. Press Alt plus F11 to open the Visual Basic for Applications editor. In the VBA editor, go to the Insert menu and select Module to create a new module. Copy the provided VBA script for exporting each sheet to separate CSV files. Paste the VBA code into the newly created module. Close the VBA editor and return to your Excel workbook. Press Alt plus F8 to open the Macro dialog box. Select the macro named for exporting each sheet to separate CSV files. Click Run to execute the macro. You would see that all worksheet has been converted to a single CSV files in the specified directory. This example will save CSV file into the disk C partition. You need to change the variable Save to Directory as you need. Or you can also create a temp directory called TMP in disk C partition. If you found this tutorial helpful in learning how to save or export each sheet to separate CSV files in Excel, don't hesitate to subscribe for more insightful Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.